So we're going to use, this is optional. You don't have to do what I'm going to do, but I'm going to show everybody. I did this last year and a few kids did it and they made some great things. In the past, you could cut out simple rectangles and build box-like forms, but for something a little bit more exciting, I'm going to try something new. And so I've got this poster board. I folded it in half. I drew kind of an outline of a shape that I want to use here, and I'm going to start cutting a template out. And so you're going to imagine two of these to be the profile of a bowl type shape. Does the bowl have to be round?
No.
Nope. So the idea is we're going to build a little model out of paper and figure out the geometry with paper, scissors, and tape. And then once I've got it figured out, all I have to do is take the tape off and take these templates and cut my slabs out that way. I'm trying to conserve as much of this as possible. It's just a good idea not to waste stuff whenever we can avoid it, right? So I've got this up to the edge, so I'm creating as little waste as possible. So now I've got a front and a back and they're the same. And I'm trying to be pretty precise. Again, we're going to be cutting out clay later, and there's a fudge factor in that. Little mistakes can be fixed. There's no mistake that can be made that can't be fixed. It's just the fewer mistakes you make, the less time you have to spend fixing them. It's really about an efficient use of your time.
Life lesson.
Life lesson, yeah, that does not just apply to clay. Alright, so what do I got here? Could these go together just like this? Could that be a bowl?
Yeah.
Like a canoe shape?
Mm-hmm.
Should I cut out some forms, let's see, to make it do something like this? Cut out some edges here? Some triangular shapes? Do I want to? Not sure. And remember, this is going to be a flat slab of clay. We can bend it, not just fold it. And I'm thinking, I'm going to try this. Will that work? What happens if I do this? I'm kind of just experimenting here and seeing. No, that's not going to work. So I'm looking at this triangular shape right here. I'm going to try to find something that fits that. So I'm just going to freestyle it. If I can get one right, then I can use it to trace the other one. Is this geometry? Are we doing geometry in ceramics? Mm-hmm. What do you think? Something like this? So if I get another one of these, that should be easy. I can just do this. Are you guys gossiping back there? No. Because we're recording this. It'll be on the internet later. So keep your gossip down. So hopefully this will get me somewhere close to something interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna break out a little tape. It's like arts and crafts class, huh? Does your form need to be this complex?
No.
It should be as complex as you can handle and get done in time. This is due next Friday. In addition to the 2 finished mugs. So the mugs, by the way, don't forget, once your handles are on them, you need to decorate them. I'm also going to show you how to use a slab roller. So this has no bottom. I wonder if I should have cut a wider, instead of a triangle, a trapezoid with a flat bottom here. Would that have given me a flat bottom? So I can take it apart and I can do some more cutting. And I think I will. Just going to shorten it a little bit. And you don't have to do this with the paper first. It just makes all your mistakes, like the mistake I just made, easier to fix with paper. And if you're working with a symmetrical form, you can use each form to trace the other one. Alright, let's go back together. Let's see what happens. So this gives me a little bit of a flat space, and I can roll a fatter slab to be the base on this. And now I can have a trough, or green beans, or mashed potatoes. This is how to do that. I think I'm going to show you guys how to roll a slab on the slab roller, but let's shoot that in a separate video. So this is how to get started in planning your design. Once you've got your design figured out, all you do is take the tape off, and once my slabs are rolled and stiff, I use these templates to cut out the slab. So it gets really easy after you do this. This is the hard part. This is the work. So we'll roll the slabs. Once they're stiff, we'll use these to trace out the different parts, and then we'll score and slip them together. Good? All right, thank you.